Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tuning in to a fun little conversation at the hairdresser. It's a great chance to practice your listening and pick up some fresh vocabulary and phrases. Let's get into it.
Hi there, welcome. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to get a haircut, please.
Sure, what kind of haircut would you like?
Nothing too short, maybe just a trim.
No problem, about 2 centimeters?
Yes, that sounds good.
Great, would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, please, that would be nice.
Okay, please follow me to the washing station. All right, let's get started. So, do you want your hair straight or natural?
Natural is fine.
Perfect. Are you going anywhere special after this?
Not really, just meeting a friend for coffee.
Sounds fun. Okay, all done. What do you think?
Wow, I love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.